Are you annoyed with the Windows 11 context menu? Well, guess what? So am I. I'm going to show you how you can bring back the Windows 10 Classic context menu. You can start by opening a command prompt window. From there, we're going to create a registry key using a command. I will be putting this command in the description of the video, so you will not have to type it. This command is creating a registry key with the subkey. /F forces an overwrite if the key exists, and the /VE flag sets the default to null and causes Windows to skip loading any associated DLLs, which then forces the classic right-click menu to be displayed. Next, we're going to restart our explorer.exe process. We can do this by terminating it and starting it up again. Notice now when you go back to your desktop and you right-click, you have the original Windows 10 Classic context menu. Now, in order to revert back for some reason to the Windows 11 context menu, all you have to do is the exact same thing, but instead of adding a registry key, we are now going to delete the registry key and restart the Explorer process. Now, if you go back to your desktop and right-click, you'll notice that the Windows 11 context menu is back. And that's it for this video. I hope this helped. If it did, please take a moment to hit that like button.